everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for the bargain bead box for August of 2023. I just received this in the mail. So let's see, I didn't look at it yet. Let me see here. So it says the bargain bead box. It says Woodland Whimsy, your beads. Eucalyptus and autumn jasper combined with shimmering crystals and druzy agate to create a palette of red, olive, and apricot that blends color trends from late summer and early fall with whimsical mushroom motifs. Oh, this sounds pretty. We love the red crystal teardrops that look like mushroom caps, the detailed enamel pendants, and the natural beauty of eucalyptus. High quality findings and gold tones complete the collection. So, let's see what we have here. Drum roll, please. Ooh. Okay. Put that over there. I see they labeled it a little different this month, like they did the month before last. I think it was June. So, oh, look at these. Oh, I love the coin beads. Oh, these are really pretty colors. Jasper, pebble beads. Oh, and some champagne. Crystal faceted opaque peach shimmer. Oh, little leaves. So let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out here. Look at these adorable pendants. 2 pieces of 28 by 25 millimeter enameled brass mushroom charms. Look at how cute these are. Mushrooms are like all the rage right now on Etsy, I've noticed. Like everybody's got something mushroom going on. So cute. And then these are 2 pieces of 26 by 18 millimeter unakite and brass faceted round links. Oh, they're pretty. They're same on both sides. These, you could do a lot with these. These could be pendant extenders. These could be earrings. Make this part of a bracelet. Yeah, lots to do with this. Next is approximately 28 by 25 millimeter unakite. Why do I keep saying that? Unakite faceted hexagon pendant. Look how pretty that is. Unakite's a very pretty gemstone. Love this. Next is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter unakite round beads. Really nice. You could do a double strand bracelet with these. Gorgeous. The holes are really nice on them too. They're well made. Okay. Next is a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter autumn jasper round beads. Love me some jasper. Oh, look how pretty these are. Gorgeous. Jasper's such a pretty gemstone. I like ocean jasper. That's gorgeous too. That's imperial jasper. I think it's picture jasper. That's my favorite. Okay, and next is a 7.5-inch strand of autumn jasper pebble beads. Oh, these are nice. Really nice. I like pebble beads mixed in with round beads because it gives more texture and interest to the jewelry that you make. And the next is 10-piece, 10 millimeter electroplated agate druzy round beads. Ooh, look at that little beauty right there. So pretty. The little pops in there. Those little pieces. Here's another one. Really pretty. Really nice colors this month. I'm really enjoying this box. Next is 20 piece 7mm leaf spacer beads. These are nice. We get these a lot in different colors. We got them in antique silver. I think we've received them in copper too before. But they're a really nice addition, and they're good for fall jewelry like that. Next is 4-piece 19 by 10mm 18 karat gold plated stainless steel leaf drops. They have some sturdiness to them too. A really nice little addition to this box. And next is 1 meter 4x3mm stainless steel curb chain in gold. They always give us some chain, which is nice. You get a whole meter of it. Very well. And next is a 16.5 by 8mm brass mushroom charm in gold. Oh, how cute is this? It's got another little jump ring on it. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Oh. We make it some mushroom jewelry here. And next is 21 by 18mm 18 karat gold plated brass leaf toggle clasp. Oh, this is a nice. Very nice. It looks like a Grecian, like the Grecian headdresses that the Greeks used to wear back in the day. The way the leaves are. And next is a 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in ivory champagne. Look at that. Lots of shimmer on these. Can never have too many crystal bicones. So pretty. And next is 10-inch strand of 8mm crystal faceted coin beads in olive shimmer. Oh, wow. I don't know if the camera is picking up. Might need sunglasses to look at these. Look at that shimmer. Wow. These are pretty. I'm really happy with this month's box. Next is 15-inch 6x4mm crystal rondo beads in opaque peach shimmer. Can I talk today? So another gorgeous strand. So pretty. I've got some really cool ideas for this box. We got that. And then last but not least, 20 pieces of 8mm crystal faceted drop beads in vermilion. Oh, they're just like the olive ones. Look at those. Wow. Hold the phone. I love these drop beads too, because you see how they're a little smaller on one end than the other. They just give a little more interest to your, wow. So I'm thinking, these are one of my favorites. Love these. And these are pretty. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of this box. I'm loving this month's box. I can't wait to tear into it and do a couple tutorials. If you aren't following me on YouTube, click that subscribe button so that you get, and then hit where it says the little notification bell, hit that and then click all, and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. I have lots of new videos coming up. So, and I also have all my links below to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store as well if you'd like to check out my jewelry, see, you know, what I've been making. And I will see you soon with a tutorial for all this. So you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.